perfect.
Yeah, it looks like it's pretty perfect.
Alright, let's see what happens.
That's awesome.
Now the track's cleared from the rain. There was 2 storms. I didn't try this. No, I try it, and then you have to clean a little bit on the track. Some of these tracks are from 91, the outside.
Yeah.
Right here.
It actually carries a little bit.
I remember you had a thing like with a lever on the side, right? That was the inside. ZW's there from the 50s. This is from Charles Rowe now. And those are all broken parts from 91. We even put all those in bins. Yeah, all that shit right underneath in this. If anybody wants the whole train set, I'll set up. If you got a basement, I'll set it up for you. I can get the O scale. I can get you just the same. And whoever has the basement, I'll put it up. Whoever wants the kids, I'll put it up.
It's going down there. It should be done.
I won't speed it up. I'll go slow. I'll go slow.
It is out there. I just want to see what it looks like.